This is dedicated to you, Pop. You're a big YouTube star now. Hey, did you know what Beamer's dad's name was? Beamer's dad's name was? Yeah. Was what? What Beamer's dad's name is? Was? Yeah. William Anthony Stankiewicz.
The Bike Tent, a first time ever offer. Yes, the Bike Tent for $89.95.
If you don't comprehend so well and don't build this thing for the $22 worth of material that it would cost to build it, I'll build it for you for $89.95. Yeah, I'll make a few bucks, but you'll get your tent. And if you order now, I'll throw in all the leftover copper pieces. That, don't ya?
Down so easy.
Ooh, wow! Mediocre at its best. Yeah, I'll make a few bucks.
If you think that all is lost, I'll be counting up my demons, yeah, hoping everything's not lost.
Bobby, I think you got too much time on your hands.
That's right. That's mediocre racing in the Bike Tent for $89.95. Sure, we'll make a few bucks, but you'll get your tent. Mediocre Racing, proud sponsor of Bonzi Beam and the Space Team Race Team.
Oh, he's down. Oh, another guy's down.
Oh, mediocre at its best.
Yeah, Wheel. Oh, he's down. Oh, another guy's down. Pick it up, pick it up. Hurry up. Sorry, come on, you can do it. There's a guy behind you.
Hey, Beamer! What do you want, Arnold? Let me out of here! Let me out of here! See enough of these videos! I'm the ex-governor of Carolina! Let me out of here! Hey, Arnold, don't get me mad. I'll make Skelly come over here.
I swam across, I jumped across the
Hey, Beamer, did anybody ever tell you you suck at motocross? All the time, Arnold. All the time. Like water off a duck's back. Long as I'm riding, baby. Crack skull! My biggest hero of all time. It's gonna have to wait. Evel Knievel. JFK. Tune in. History of Motocross. If you want to see more of action like this. If you want to learn what a camera can do. A camera and a little bit of an attitude, you can get 10 feet away from a guy like Evel Knievel. Hey, you! Get out of here! I got a camera! All right. Just stay out of the way. Watch the history of motocross. Brought to you by Low Life Beer. Crack Skull Racing.